Yeah, let's drive the fast one.
Let's try the fast one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm gonna drive the green one.
Yep, we're driving the green one. You want to turn it on?
Turn on. Oh, hey.
Okay, turn it on. Good job, bud. Yeah.
Can push it.
Okay, watch for cars. Okay, push it. Let's go over here. Whoa, I almost drove right into a big hole. Are you gonna push it into the hole? Okay, push it in. Okay, let's go around the hole. This way. Whoa, did you see that jump? Yeah, go push it and we'll go over to the jump. What's going on, everyone? Liam and I are back at it with the Traxxas Hoss. We're gonna go see if we can launch it off that jump over there. Whoosh! This field is not ideal, but we're just trying something new. Go push it, buddy! Woo! You see that dirt? Hey, should we jump it? Oh, it disappeared. Yeah, where'd it go? Gotta go fix it? Oh, you gotta climb the hill. Careful. You can do it, buddy. Need Dad's help? Here, give me a hand so you don't get a sticker. Let's go. Yeah. I help you.
Oh, I'm gonna fix it.
Oh, it doesn't need to be fixed, but you can go push it.
Go push it.
You got it, buddy. Oh, great job. Okay, go push it. All right, I thought these jumps were bigger, but we'll still have fun around here. Woo! We're gonna stir up some dirt today. Woo! See that dirt? Whoa! Did you see that jump, buddy? Oh! Did you see that jump? This is such a fun little truck. We've been debating on the X-Max for a while, but I'm not done with this one. Need to wait until we're bored of the Hoss and then we can get the X-Max. I think we made the right choice going from the Stampede to this. All right, buddy, let's jump it. Ready? Okay, Dad has to go up here so I can see the jump. Okay, give it a good push. Woohoo! That was good. Oh, wow. That's getting some good air. Oops. Oh, I hit the brake instead of the throttle. My bad. Yeah, buddy, fix it. Ooh, there's dirt in there. Woo! Woo! Ooh, that is a clean jump. Was that a good one? Okay, watch out. We'll do another one. Oh, 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 did not mean to do that at all. Woo! Ah, yikes. Yikes, huh, bud? Ah. Yep. Nice. Hey, come stand by Dad and we'll jump it. I wonder if there's a better area to jump. Probably not. Oops. Gotta try again. Here it comes. I love how Liam's getting low to watch it. Here it comes. Woo! Is that a cool one? Oh, I don't know what happened there. Here it comes. Whoa, that was close. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh! I've crushed it! You gonna fix it? You need Dad to fix it. You got it, buddy. Okay, go fix it. Thank you. You got it, buddy. Good job, buddy. Should I jump it? Here we go. Yeah, let's do it. Come on, buddy. Liam's so cute. Nice. Oh! I think I hit a stick or something. That was violent. Can you fix it? You want Dad to do it? Liam do it? Okay. Yeah, go fix the green one. Good job, buddy. Thank you. I see a little track here. Can do a little bit of this. Zip around. Come around here. Whoa! Oh gosh. Zip around. Get some speed around this berm here. Oh my gosh. I need to be so careful. I would have felt so bad if I would have hit him. I don't know what I'm thinking. It would have landed perfect if I wouldn't have hit the brakes. Nice. So that was a good jump, huh?
Good jumper.
Should we jump it again? Okay, come by Dad. Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good one.
Gosh, if our landing area wasn't just a pit of doom. Nice. Woo! Got a twig in there. Oopsie. Oopsie. Whoa! You see that jump, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
Ah! Push! Great job, buddy. Should we try a wheelie? Might be too much dirt for a wheelie. Let's try it. Woo! Oh, you want to push it? Okay. And then we're going to send it right there. Here we go. Oh! Want Dad to do it? Okay, Liam, he's on a mission. He loves to help out. Are you doing it by yourself? Maybe we should walk over there. They're building a playground. Maybe we can find some sweet jumps. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I almost lost it and went straight off into the bushes. That's full throttle right there. These things handle amazing. Oh boy. Come on, bud, let's go find some jumps. Uh-oh, I hope your mom doesn't get mad at Dad because you're so dirty. Yeah. Oh, there's probably so much dirt in there, bud, huh? Oh boy. Push it, let's go find some sweet jumps. Okay, buddy, say bye to the green one.